everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Today let's see how to make Achappam. Wow, it's so crispy. Add about 1 cup of rice flour in a mixing bowl. 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. You can add black sesame seeds into it as well. I have used white colored sesame seeds. Of salt, just to balance the sweet. About 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix them all well. Pour in the coconut milk, little by little, to form a nice smooth batter. Mixing well so that all the sugar gets dissolved and we get a nice smooth batter like so. To make Achappam, we will use a very special mold. It will look like this. It has a handle and a very long stick, and the mold is hanging on the stick actually. I have used approximately 1 cup of coconut milk, but you can use till you get a smooth batter like so. The batter has now become nice and smooth. We will go ahead and deep fry them using the mold. To make Achappam, this is the Achappam mold, and we need to place it inside the oil, in the hot oil. Just dip the mold in the batter. Do not dip completely, just 3/4. Keep the flame medium. You can see that it is starting to become nice golden brown in color. Drain off the oil. You can see it's become nice golden brown in color. Okay, so a couple of things that I have experienced. I tried the very first time, it didn't come out well. To reach that consistency. So first was everything was crumble. The second attempt was good. In this case, the batter sticks to the mold. What can you do is that you can just use a stick like so. Just separate them with the help of the stick. It will easily come out. After 2 or 3 separation of the batter, what you need to do is you just have to dip the mold in the oil and the batter, and then just shake it off, and then the batter will really give you a very beautiful rose shape. The mold will give you a very beautiful rose shape, that is, and the Achappam will come out very well. So the mold and the oil needs to be in a consistency. Make sure that the oil is in the medium flame all the time. Take a separate plate and leave the mold on this itself and keep it. Make sure it is hot so you do not touch it. There you go. Delicious Achappam is now ready to be served. Oh my god, it is so... Wow, it's so crispy. Well friends, Achappam is my all-time favorite, and I really love Achappam anytime because it is sweet and crispy and all that. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it and giving it to you. If you have any suggestion and a new video request, you can definitely post it in the comment box. I'll try to answer your query and make videos of your suggestion as well. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.